Hiding the reality of predatory animal mouths has consistently captivated and terrified observers. Relying on the internal workings of these creatures is inherently unwise, as exemplified by the following instances. This underscores the imperative to steer clear of these intimidating mouths at all costs. Bobbit Worm. Bobbit worms undeniably possess one of the most voracious mouths in the wild. Whether it's a fish of any size, once it enters the vicinity of the razor-sharp jaws of a bobbit worm, consider it gone in an instant. Witness how a pufferfish meets its demise as this peculiar worm, equipped with pointed antennae, swiftly snaps down on its prey using its muscular mouth. Devouring the prey is equally effortless, facilitated by a mouth that can be as long as and sometimes even double the length of a human arm. Penguin. We all love penguins, especially from movies like Happy Feet, but let's talk about something weird: their insides. Before you enjoy them with ketchup, you need to catch up on some surprising facts. Look inside their beak, and you'll find a weird pink carpet of teeth, from cheek to gut. These teeth are there for a reason: to keep their prey stuck. Penguins like to eat their food while it's alive, and these spiky teeth make sure the prey can't run away. Now, can you look at those happy penguins the same way? I know I can't. Paku Fish. Paku fish, similar to piranhas, are quite scary, if not scarier. What sets them apart is the reputation they've earned due to their strong jaws and unique dental structure. These teeth may look human-like, but they're super strong and efficient at crushing seeds and nuts. With such a powerful bite force, it's a good idea to keep a safe distance from these fish. Camel. Camels, the rulers of the desert, have mouths capable of munching on cacti and other spiky things. Just think about how tough their mouths must be if thorns don't bother them at all. While their teeth might not be impressively strong, they're quite large and possess interesting qualities. They can cut through wood with surprising strength. What's intriguing is the tiny papillae covering their mouths, adding a unique touch. It's a curious feature, especially when contrasted with their distinctive, often humorously called old man teeth. Pelican. Pelicans, whether dealing with birds, fish, or practically anything in their path, showcase their incredibly wide mouths as they gulp down their prey. The secret to this lies in their unusually large beaks and how they use this feature. The tips of their beaks have small hooks, not teeth, but rather tiny, non-sharp spikes. The real magic happens with their lower beaks, which are stretchy and translucent. These lower beaks can extend to almost twice their original size, allowing them not only to swallow sizable prey, but also to pull out spines from their meals. It's a somewhat cringeworthy revelation, I must say. Goblin Shark. Now, I've discovered the Goblin Sharks are giving blobfish some competition in the ugliness department. What's even more unsettling is the inside of their mouths, filled with tiny razor-sharp teeth accompanied by a snout that resembles a sword. Adding to the alarm, Goblin Sharks have a detachable mouth that shoots forward to capture their prey. This unique slingshot feeding technique operates at a staggering speed of 3 meters per second, so if you ever encounter this shark, it's best to keep your distance. Hagfish. Hagfish are unique creatures. They lack jaws and bones, but have a circular lip-like opening surrounded by numerous fleshy comb-like structures called denticles. These denticles can be quite scary to look at. Hagfish are often referred to as scavengers of opportunity because of their tooth-like structures that burrow inside decaying marine animals. When provoked, these creatures produce copious amounts of slime from numerous pores along their bodies. Yep, they're quite the slimy little fellas. The slime rapidly expands upon contact with water, and this sheer volume is enough to clog the gills of potential attackers, giving the hagfish plenty of time to make its escape. Goose. Geese have a remarkable knack for striking fear in humans, mainly thanks to their intimidating honking noises. Yet when it comes to their mouths, it's interesting to note that they don't have teeth. Instead, they boast specialized structures called tomia, found on both their beaks and tongues. These structures enable them to deliver powerful bites. These feisty birds demonstrate that aggression and formidable defense capabilities can manifest in unexpected forms within the animal kingdom. There's no doubt about that. Sarcastic fringeheads. Discovered along the California coast, these fish have quite a unique feature: wide fluorescent mouths that are as broad as their heads, even surpassing the width of their bodies. When provoked, these fringeheads engage in fierce territorial conflicts, frightening their enemies by showcasing their intimidating tactic of opening their mouths wide. Fortunately, they don't grow larger than a foot in size, but one can't help but imagine them the size of a great white shark. Now that's bound to give you chills. Lampre. The lamprey is living proof that having a jaw is not a requirement for being devilishly terrifying. These parasitic fish don't have a jaw or even a skull. What they do possess is a thorny suction cup-like mouth, which they use as a funnel to latch onto unsuspecting prey and literally suck the life out of them. The inward curved teeth of lampreys are so strong that their victims rarely survive. Scientists find them quite fascinating because they believe they're the first backbone creatures to have evolved. Lampreys truly embody their name, don't they? Piranha. Piranhas are creatures renowned for their insatiable feeding habits. They hunt in packs, armed with sharp teeth and powerful bites. These razor-sharp teeth allow them to quickly strip flesh from their prey, while their strong jaws exert considerable force. Operating in groups, piranhas display remarkable coordination during feeding frenzies, overpowering larger animals and reducing them to skeletons. Opportunistic in nature, these little predators help themselves to a variety of aquatic creatures, earning their fearsome reputation in freshwater ecosystems. Giant squid. Introducing a mouth that appears straight out of a horror movie, the sharp claw-like hook is actually the beak of giant squids, capable of slicing through prey and leaving scars on colossal sperm whales.
Put it in there. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, do it again. Do it.
If that isn't menacing enough, considering the giant squids prefer to keep to themselves, it's wise to steer clear of their path altogether. The eerie nature of their beak is truly something to behold, and it's best to approach with caution. Hippopotamus. While we're accustomed to the fact that hippos have huge mouths, that's not the reason why they're featured in this video. What truly makes them frightening is their bite power. When they yawn, their giant mouths can open up to 180 degrees. A single yawn from a hippo releases an incredible 18,800 pounds of force, making them the land animals with the strongest bite. It's no surprise that hippos surpass even lions in higher fatality counts. Their formidable bite is a force to be reckoned with. Black Mumber. With a pitch-black mouth, black mumbers pose a formidable threat. Their fangs, also dark in appearance, are not only sharp but equally lethal. The venom they carry has the capacity to quickly paralyze a human being. One can imagine the dire situation that can unfold if urgent treatment is not administered promptly. If you ever come across a black mumber, it's best to make a swift exit, as these snakes are harbingers of doom. Sabertooth Fish. This fish goes by various names, from Dracula to vampire, all because of its distinctive mouth. This fearsome predator, known as the Pearson predator, boasts long, sharp fangs that can reach up to 6 inches in length. Found in the waters of South America, particularly in the Amazon basin, it's an apex predator, notorious for its lightning-fast attacks on smaller fish. Due to its speed, agility, and razor-sharp teeth, it is a petrifying yet efficient hunter. The vampiric appearance of the fish is not just for show. These fangs play a crucial role in piercing through the scales of its prey. Starfish. While starfish may appear innocuous, certain species possess adaptations that make them effective predators. With numerous venomous spines on their limbs, starfish employ a unique feeding strategy. When approaching a clam, they create a small opening with their tube feet, invert their stomach out of their mouth, and push it into the clam's shell. The enzymes take care of the rest, allowing them to digest the soft parts of the prey and leaving behind the discarded empty shells. It's a distinctive and effective method of feeding for these seemingly gentle creatures. Spitting spider. Spitting spiders earn their name through a remarkable hunting technique. These spiders defy the traditional web-building approach to capture prey. Equipped with special silk glands loaded with venom, the spitting spider spews silk mixed with venom when targeting its prey. This precise technique immobilizes the victim from a distance, allowing the spider to ensnare its prey without engaging in any direct physical contact. Despite their diminutive size, the strategic silk-spitting behavior makes them formidable predators in the world of arachnids. Ribbon worm. Despite their unassuming appearance, ribbon worms possess a lethal and extraordinary means of capturing prey. These soft-bodied marine invertebrates employ a long tubular structure to seize and immobilize their victims. Upon contact, they rapidly extend their proboscis, enveloping the prey and secreting toxins. What makes this strategy remarkable is the potency of the toxins, which have the capacity to subdue a variety of prey ranging from small crustaceans to larger organisms. Ribbon worms showcase a unique and effective method of predation in the underwater realm. Spitting cobra. This cobra has earned its reputation through a unique and potent defensive mechanism. When threatened, this snake can project its venom accurately and forcefully up to several feet by forcibly expelling it from its fangs. The venom is not only toxic but also capable of causing irritation in the eyes, leading to even temporary blindness if not treated properly. This spitting tactic serves as an effective deterrent against potential threats, making them quite a dangerous species in the snake kingdom. The ability to spit venom is a distinctive feature that adds to the cobra's formidable defense capabilities. Anglerfish. Anglerfish are equipped with a cavernous mouth adorned with long, sharp teeth, making for a truly scary appearance bound to induce fear. However, that's not even half of it. This deep-sea dweller has a bioluminescent lure dangling in front of its mouth. You probably already guessed its purpose. The creature wiggles it to attract unsuspecting prey in the dark depths. The combination of a cunning lure and a ferocious bite makes the anglerfish one heck of a chilling predator. So don't get fooled by that dangling lure. It's all part of its sinister strategy. Scorpions. Scorpions are considered frightening primarily due to their venomous stingers, specialized structures at the end of their tails where they inject venom capable of immobilizing prey. It's important to note that they are generally harmless to humans, although there have been cases where their venom caused severe reactions. Furthermore, their nocturnal and secretive nature adds to the perception of their mysterious and potentially menacing presence. Scary crab eater. Despite its name, the crab-eater seal does not actually eat crabs, nor is it an apex predator. However, what distinguishes this seal is its special set of teeth, characterized by long, sharp and interlocking teeth forming a sieve-like arrangement. These teeth are not designed for chewing or tearing, but efficiently filter krill from the water. The interlocking teeth allow the seal to trap and sieve out krill while expelling excess water, enabling it to consume large quantities of these small crustaceans. This feeding strategy is a crucial component of the crab-eater seal's diet. Gharial. Crocodiles and alligators are often associated with fear, but the gharial takes the concept of menace to a whole other level. Despite their seemingly amusing snouts, the laughter quickly fades when you consider the 106 to 110 sharp teeth embedded in their jaws. Being a part of the crocodilian family, it's no surprise that they also boast a formidable bite. While their primary diet consists of fish, the sheer number and sharpness of the teeth emphasize the gharial's prowess as a predator in its habitat. Mandrill. If you were to apply clown makeup to a monkey, you would essentially create a mandrill, the largest monkey on the planet. These vibrant monkeys stand out for their distinct facial markings and impressive 2-inch long teeth. Mandrills, being omnivores, often exhibit their teeth as a friendly gesture akin to a smile. Despite their intimidating appearance, it's crucial not to be deceived by their teeth display, as it serves more as a social expression rather than a sign of aggression. Their long canines enable them to consume a variety of seeds, fruits, insects, and small animals. Great white shark. One of the most iconic and feared predators in the ocean is the great white shark, equipped with a mouth fit for its carnivorous lifestyle. It features multiple rows of serrated triangular teeth, specifically designed for gripping and tearing through flesh, making these sharks a formidable force. What's astonishing is the fact that these teeth are continuously replaced throughout their lifetime, ensuring a constant supply of functional and sharp cutting edges. Along with that, their bite force is super powerful, perfect for incapacitating and consuming a variety of marine life, including seals and fish. The great white shark's dental adaptation and strength make it a top-tier predator in the ocean. Sea urchins. Sea urchins may not be considered predators in the traditional sense, but they possess a unique mouth structure known as Aristotle's lantern. This is a complex chewing apparatus located on the undersurface of their body. What appears to be teeth are actually 5 tooth-like plates that help sea urchins to scrape, graze and consume algae, detritus and other small organisms. Despite their seemingly simple appearance, sea urchins showcase a specialized and effective feeding mechanism to sustain themselves in their marine environments. Tigers. Let's venture into a place you'd never want to be, inside a tiger's mouth. Their canines are particularly prominent, long and robust, designed to deliver a powerful bite to the neck or throat of their prey. Now, have you ever seen a tiger's tongue? It's quite a scary-looking tongue, covered with tiny hook-like structures called papillae. These structures are perfect for removing fur and feathers from their prey. This feature allows them to consume as much meat as possible, as the textured tongue assists in stripping the meat off bones. It might be horrifying, but this versatile tongue also helps tigers in grooming and other social interactions. Sea turtle. Sea turtles possess unique mouths adapted for their herbivorous and omnivorous diets. Unlike traditional teeth, their mouths feature specialized structures called papillae, sharp, pointed spikes lining their jaws. These papillae help sea turtles grasp and manipulate their preferred diet, including jellyfish. While lacking conventional teeth, the papillae serve as effective tools for capturing and swallowing prey. Sea turtles are opportunistic feeders, consuming various marine organisms, showcasing their adaptability and drive to thrive in diverse marine environments. That wraps up our journey into the diverse world of animal mouths, each uniquely adapted to serve specific purposes. If you found this video intriguing, remember to hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to our channel for more captivating insights into the wonders of the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this wild journey.